And we're back. Thank you for being a part of freetradingvideos.com, the Fed Talk Today. And Big Ben came out and said we're just going to hold steady on the interest rates, and the Dow goes up 120 points. The Nas 29, 11 on the S&P, and the Russell's a full 10. So we had both the Russells and the Nasdaq kind of leading the charge on the bullish side of things. And the VIX here only dropped 2%. I would expect that to be 3.5 to 4% drop to really validate this up move, but we didn't get this. We're still hung up there at around 25 mark. And tomorrow, keep in mind, pre-market retail sales are coming out, and retail sales can move this market, just like Mr. Ben did today at 2:30, 2:45-ish time, Eastern Standard Time. Markets got crazy out there. Now, for day traders, seasoned, let me say this, seasoned day traders, yummy, yummy, yummy stuff. Big moves like we received, great money-making opportunities there. Now, on the flip side, I was in the chat room today. I saw a number of people just have their heads handed to them. Let me speak to you just for a second here. This is what I tell my students. And write down, remember what I'm about ready to say here. If you're day trading and you're giving back more money than you're making, then you need to go back to paper trading or decrease your share size or your contract size. And do it immediately. Don't wait. Because I'll tell you, the worst thing that can happen to you as a trader is be down money and want to make it back fast. And if you do that and you start swinging for the fences, all you're going to do is dig yourself a deeper and deeper hole. So remember, capital preservation is key. All my students know that. All Matador students know that. Capital preservation comes before profit taking. You do capital preservation first. Let profit taking take care of itself, but you have to have rock solid set of rules in place that you follow. You can't be out there testing this and testing that and hoping that something's going to work. You have to have proven sets of rules that you follow each and every day. So you see an increase in probabilities of the byproduct of profitability. Focus on trading and trading well and let profits take care of themselves. But without the right education, you're going to be out there floundering around, so make sure you get the right education. All right, now markets, S&P. Daily, we're up here on a high base right here. For swing traders and investment traders or position traders, just sit on your hands for a while here. We're not moving. We're just, we get a couple up days, couple down days, one up day, two down days, another up day. We're all over the place. Today we did make a high from the last few days here, last couple at least. Made a new high. We're up here at 1012, 1013 area. But then we closed right here at 1005, about where we opened yesterday. So we do have what looks to be like a tweezer's bottom. But let me say something. In sideways consolidation like we have here, your reversal pattern type formations don't hold a lot of weight. They're null and void. What I'm looking for is a breakout over the highs here or a breakdown under the lows. If we pop out to the north, I'm in bullish. If I pop out to the south, I am in bearish. At this moment, I'm just hedged. Every night I make sure that I'm hedged going into the next morning because, like I said, retail numbers coming out tomorrow, and then we have the big CPI coming out on Friday. So this today, Wednesday, and then tomorrow, Thursday, and then Friday, big time news. And that's going to be, this would be a good time if you're not a seasoned trader just to sit back the next few days and let the markets, adjust all this information and come back next week to trade. But if you're in for the hunt and you know what you're doing and you're well seasoned, then jump in there and there's going to be some great money-making opportunities out there in the market. So happy trading to each and every one of you. Looking forward to seeing you inside that forum and chatting with you in the chat room.